Elevate your coffee experience with ACM Teknica's premium coffee machine installations. Quality and innovation combined. Upgrade your coffee brewing experience today.
Kita hari ini ada di Lemo Hotel untuk instalasi mesin ACM Teknica 2 Group.
From espresso makers to drip brewers, find your perfect match here. Dispensing with coffee and hot water doses programming. Stainless steel and painted steel body. Copper boiler with antioxidant treatment and internal heating exchanger. Adjustable drip tray onto different levels, both for tall cups and traditional espresso cups. Steam, water wands in stainless steel. Automatic cleaning cycle of chromed brass dispensing group.